Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue the chapter Industrial Revolution. Though both the words colonialism and imperialism underline suppression of the other, colonialism is where one nation assumes control over the other, and imperialism refers to political control, either formally or informally. In simple words, colonialism can be thought to be a practice, and imperialism as the idea driving the practice. Imperialism is a state policy practice of extending power and dominion, especially by direct territorial acquisition or by gaining political and economic control of other areas, because it always is the use of power, whether military or economic or some other form. Imperialism has often been considered morally reprehensible, and the term is frequently employed in international propaganda and discredit an opponent's foreign policy. Jingoism is a nationalism in the form of aggressive foreign policy, such as a country's advocacy for the use of threats or actual force as opposed to peaceful relations in efforts to safeguard what it perceives as its national interests. The First Opium War, also known as Opium War or the Anglo-Chinese War, was a series of military engagements fought between Britain and the Qing dynasty of China. The immediate issue was Chinese official seizure of opium stocks at Canton with the banned opium trade and threatening the death penalty for future offenders. The British government insisted on the principles of free trade and equality among nations and backed the merchants' demand. The British Navy defeated the Chinese technologically superior ships and weapons, and the British then imposed a treaty that granted territory to Britain and opened trade with China. Opium is the dried latex obtained from the seed capsules of the opium poppy. Please do the exercise given below in your classwork exercise book and send all your homeworks to the mail address given below by tomorrow.